Hello guys, today we will learn how to use the transpose tool in Alteryx. So generally you have two types of data sets. One is a wider data set consisting of many columns but less rows. Another is a long data set consisting of small number of columns but a huge number of rows, right? So let me just quickly show you the file which I am using. The file consists of uh, monthly revenue for a store location and department. So first column is your store location, which is Dublin. Second is your department, audio and hi-fi. And from third till the last, there are months, right? And the entries present inside these columns are basically the monthly revenue for each month, right? Now I want to convert this particular data set, which is a wider data set, into a long data set. So the final data set will consist of four columns. First will be your store location, second will be your department, third will be the name of the months or the column consisting of name of the months like Jan, Feb, March, and so on till December. And the fourth column will consist of the values of the monthly revenue. Right. So this is how I want my data to be structured. So in order to do that, I will go to a transform tab. From transform tab, drag and drop this transpose tool onto your canvas. Link this input data to the input node of the transpose tool, right? Once you link this, click on the transpose tool. It will open a pop-up window where it will ask you about the key and data columns. So key columns are basically the level at which you want to see the data, or the level at which you want to transpose the data. So right now we want the combination of store location and department as key, right? And in the data column you have to choose the data which you want to transpose from multiple rows to one row, so from multiple columns to one column, right? So this will be our third column in the final data set, which will consist of the months, and fourth column will consist of the month values of monthly revenue, right? So once you hit run button, it will run the workflow and will transpose your data into a longer data set from a wider format. So if you carefully observe this particular table in the result panel, you can see that the first column is your store location, second column is your department, third column is again the name of the months, and fourth column is the value, which is monthly revenue for each store department combination, right? So for each store department combination you will have 12 records now, each consisting of monthly revenue from Jan to December. So if you go down to the 13th record, right? So 13th record is Dublin home theater January and its monthly revenue. Then next is February is monthly revenue for the same store location and department combination. And if you go down to the 25th row, again your department changes for the same store location, and then you will have 12 months, and for each month you will have the monthly revenue. You can rename these columns to month and monthly revenue. So we will cover this in rename session. So I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.